friends, welcome back. We know it's December and you all are waiting for Christmas.
So here we come with the Christmas theme baby photo shoot.
Merry Christmas!
For this photo shoot, you require one bed sheet for a Christmas tree decoration material,
Gifts, chocolates.
Friends, please like and share our videos and please subscribe our channel Baby Photoshoot.
You can also follow us on Pinterest, Facebook and Instagram, and our profile is Babyphotoshoot.